Hey everybody, Derek here, and in this video I wanted to go over the brand new Claude extension for Google Chrome. This is absolutely incredible. This is something that has just come out in the last couple of days, and I wanted to show you exactly how this whole thing works. So let's go ahead, let's dive in the computer and get started. All right, so this is absolutely crazy. This is a brand new tool that's put out by Claude. This is the Claude extension for Google Chrome. To access it, you just click this little button here. This is available for the Pro or any of the Max plans. So you got to have a paid plan with Claude. And I'm just going to X out of this right here so you can see this. So I'll just click this, and this will allow us to have Claude pulled up here and working hand in hand with our browser. So what this allows you to do, this allows you to fill out forms. This allows you to collect data. This actually allows you to make edits. So in the event that you wanted to edit something, you could say, hey, create a new call to action for this particular page. Possibilities are endless. You can actually go through and have this collect all of your URLs and then populate them into a Google Sheet. This will do all the work for you. So whatever you can do here, literally you can do with the Claude extension here. So I'm just going to give this a couple of things that we can do here just so you can see this thing work in action. So I'm going to say I want to create a new page for AI and automation services and display this in the navigation bar. I'm going to click on this, and what's going to happen, this is going to ask for approval, and once I give this the approval, then this is going to log into my dashboard, and then it's going to click to go to the pages, and then it's going to build a new page for us for AI and automation. So this is a website that I've had for a number of years, and something that I intended to offer, products and services and things like that. But this is kind of fallen back on the back burner, and so what I intended to do was to make some updates to this anyway. So I thought we would just do a demo here and show you exactly how this whole thing works. But you can see this thing working in real time. So one of the things that you can do with this is it's not just about updating websites or editing websites or auditing websites or collecting data or anything like that. I want you to think about this as well. We're doing a lot with automations, so you can run this in your N8N workflows. So if you are using N8N to build out these automation sequences, if you are using Make to build out these automation sequences and you get stuck, then what you can do is you can open up Claude and it can access that and go talk back and forth to show you where you need to make the adjustments and where you need to make the fixes. So you can see here, this is working in real time. This is building out a page for us. So in the event that you don't want to tinker with WordPress or you want to just have AI to do it, this is a way that you can do this. So I'm going to pause the video real quick. So that way this will go ahead and knock this thing out, and I'll show you the end result here when we're done. And then we'll do a couple of other things as well. But I wanted to get this out, show you how this whole thing works. You need to download the Claude extension for Google Chrome. This is something that I know you're going to really dig. This is the first version of it. It's only been out a couple of days, and I think it's only going to get better. All right, so you can see here, this just type this out. I didn't give it really any context of what to build. If we weren't doing this just a quick demo, I would have said, hey, create this and be sure you put a proper SEO structure. But you can see here, this published the page for us. And then what it's going to do now is probably go back and add this to, I think I told it to add it to the navigation. Yeah, display it in the navigation bar. So this is probably going to go in and add that URL to the navigation bar. So you can see here, it's going to appearances, and then it's going to go to the navigation menu, and then it is going to make the updates. So this is absolutely insane, allowing you to do all of this work here inside the browser and allowing AI to do the heavy lifting for you. So give this just a moment, and you'll see this new navigation button will populate. You can see it's building it as we speak here on the left-hand side. So I paused the video just to let this thing finish and do its thing, and you can see now it is wrapping up. This has created the AI services page that you can see right here, and this is taking the screenshot. So now it's giving us the confirmation of what it did, created a new page, published the page, and also added it to the navigation menu. Now, some of the other things, like I was explaining, that we are intended to do with this particular extension is looking at and auditing specific affiliate offers and seeing how we can beef up some of those pages. So, for example, I've opened this one up right here, and you can see this is kind of an older page. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on Claude, and I'm going to say review the page and the affiliate offers for the landing pages, and tell me which ones I'm missing that are popular now. Okay, something like that. So this is going to go through, it's going to review all the ones that we have already got. So I'm going to click approve plan. And we may have to click to approve this a couple of times, but this is going to go through and it's going to scan this entire page and then extract the text from the page. And then it's going to use AI to then tell us which affiliate offers that we could that we could build into this page. So you can see right here, based on your review, you currently have only 3 platforms. That is partially because we removed some of those, but the ones that were missing here: High Priority, ClickFunnels, Unbounce, Instapage, GetResponse, System.io, ConvertKit, Landing, Swipe Pages, Hub Pages, Elementor Pro, Beaver Builder, Wix, Squarespace. Your biggest gaps are ClickFunnels, It's the Elephant in the Room, and Elementor. So good suggestions, right? So this is all suggestions that we can do, all in the span of just a couple of seconds. Now, let's say, for example, we wanted to use this and we wanted to pull all of our URLs, all of our top URLs, and put them into a Google Sheet. I could do that. I could then fix N8N workflows. I could fix make workflows. There is so many things that you can do with this, because this can talk back and forth to your browser and it can actually see what you're doing. So that way you're not having to copy code, paste it in, and go back and forth. You can it can see what's on your screen. So if you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, then give it a like, give it a share, and give me a follow, because I talk about this stuff all the time with AI and automations, and I think you will dig it. So till the next time, take care, and see you real soon.